As we welcome the new year, we at Ultech Engineering want to take a moment to pause, to look back on the incredible journey we've shared in 2025, and to look ahead with gratitude, purpose, and hope. This year wasn't just about projects and deadlines. It was about people, our clients, our partners, and our dedicated team members who showed up every single day with commitment and courage. From power stations to offshore platforms and from factory floors to remote hydro plants, we've been busy bringing smarter systems and safer solutions to life. So, before we move forward into the new year, 2026, let's take a moment to celebrate and reflect together. 2025 was a year of growth, not just in numbers, but in the depth of what we do. At Ultech Engineering, every project tells a story, and 2025 was no exception. Each project, whether big or small, carried one clear goal: to make systems smarter, safer, and more sustainable. This year alone, our team completed over 20 projects across Malaysia. From oil and gas to power and automation, our team worked across Malaysia, from offshore platforms to industrial plants, bringing reliability and innovation to life. Whether it was upgrading critical firewater pump systems at Seligi, improving generator protection at Libaran power station, or migrating PLC control systems at Murum Ecological power station, every challenge became a lesson in engineering excellence. And while the technologies evolve, our core mission remains the same: to engineer with integrity, purpose, and care. At Ultech, our greatest strength isn't just technology, it's teamwork. It's the long nights of problem solving, the collaboration between engineers who think differently but share the same purpose, the joy of seeing a system power up successfully after days of calibration and testing. This year, we saw new members join our family, bringing fresh ideas and energy. We saw senior engineers mentoring juniors, guiding them not just in technical skill, but in the mindset of ownership and pride. Because at Ultech, we believe that great engineering doesn't come from machines. It comes from people who care deeply about what they create. The world of automation and power management is changing faster than ever. In 2025, we continue to evolve, embracing smarter control systems, digital monitoring, and sustainable energy solutions. Our projects reflected that evolution. From SCADA migrations that improved visibility and control, to protection relay upgrades that increased reliability. We made sure every step we took added value, not just for our clients, but for the industries that keep our nation moving. And with each successful handover, we're reminded, innovation isn't about complexity. It's about solving real problems that make real impact. If you've been part of this journey, as a client, partner, or friend, thank you. Your trust fuels our purpose. And if you're new to Ultech Engineering, we invite you to follow our story, subscribe to our channel, and see how we continue to engineer progress together. 2025 also marked a series of remarkable milestones. Our teams worked on key projects across sectors, from marine systems and industrial automation to power generation and oil and gas platforms. From the coastlines of Sarawak to the platforms off Sabah, our engineers have traveled far and wide this year. And while it's impossible to tell every story here, each project has its own heartbeat. This year, at the Seligi platform, our engineers took on the challenge of building reliability where it matters most, far out at sea. We designed, supplied, and commissioned a 500-kilowatt emergency diesel generator control panel, a system built to keep critical power online when every second counts. Offshore environments are never forgiving: heat, humidity, vibration, and constant exposure to salt air. But this project pushed us to innovate for durability. Every cable, every relay, and every control logic was tested and refined to ensure a seamless operation in extreme conditions. The result? A robust system that not only powers emergency equipment, but also reinforces operational safety and confidence for the crews on board. It's projects like this that remind us, engineering is not just about systems running. It's about people depending on them. In Libaran Power Station, Sandakan, we took a major step forward in modernization. Our team successfully migrated aging CPAM protection relays to the Dive MVR series, breathing new life into the power station's protection and monitoring systems. The work may sound simple on paper, but in reality, it involved intricate recalibration, testing, and coordination across multiple circuits to ensure seamless transfer with zero disruption. These new dive systems now deliver faster response times, better diagnostics, and higher reliability, dramatically reducing downtime risks that could impact critical power delivery. The migration also created a safer working environment for the on-site operators, giving them clearer, smarter data and peace of mind that the system is always watching their back. This project was a true example of how upgrading old systems doesn't just replace hardware, it redefines operational trust. Over in Sibu, at the CMC bulk terminal, our engineers worked behind the scenes to ensure that critical data never sleeps. We delivered a redundant SCADA system upgrade, migrating the existing control architecture to a more advanced and resilient platform, the Mitsubishi Genesis 64 SCADA. What this means in simpler terms, even if one server goes down, the other takes over instantly, keeping all monitoring and control operations uninterrupted. It's a quiet upgrade with powerful impact, securing the heart of terminal operations from material handling to process automation. Our focus was on reliability, but also user experience, making sure the new interface provides clearer visualization, smoother performance, and faster diagnostics. Because in the world of industrial control, uninterrupted visibility means uninterrupted business. This project stands as a testament to Ultech's philosophy. Engineering should make complexity feel effortless. And lastly, we look toward the lush highlands of Sarawak, the Murum Ecological Power Station. Here, our team carried out a PLC migration project, upgrading the existing S7200CN system to the modern S71200 PLC for the MIV valve control system. It may sound like a quiet change in code and hardware, but in truth, it represents something much bigger: the bridge between legacy systems and the future of automation. This upgrade strengthened the station's operational reliability, allowing more stable and intelligent control over the water flow, a vital process for power generation and ecological balance. What's special about this project isn't just the technology, but the purpose behind it: to keep a renewable energy site running efficiently with less downtime and more precision. Standing there in Murum, surrounded by nature, you can feel the harmony between engineering and the environment. And that's something we're truly proud to be part of. Each site had its challenges, from weather to wiring to timelines. But our engineers met them head-on, driven by pride and purpose. Every project taught us something about resilience, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Now, if you're not from an engineering background, you might be wondering, what exactly do we do in these projects? Here's a quick glossary for you. Control panels are like the brains of industrial systems. They automate, protect, and control power operations. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It's what helps machines make decisions in real time. SCADA is the system that allows operators to monitor and control everything from one screen. Together, these technologies keep the world running quietly behind the scenes, in factories, power plants, and platforms you might never even see. Want to learn more about the stories behind these projects? Visit our website. We've got a detailed recap of every highlight from 2025, including an easy glossary for the technical terms you might see in our engineering world. Of course, engineering isn't always smooth sailing. In 2025, our teams worked through long nights, tight schedules, and challenging site conditions, especially in remote and offshore locations. But through every obstacle, our people proved one thing: That commitment and collaboration are the real engines behind progress. It's not just about fixing systems, it's about delivering peace of mind to our clients and communities. If our work inspires you, or if you'd like to collaborate with Ultech Engineering in 2026, reach out to us. We'd love to explore how we can help your next project thrive. As we step into 2026, we want to take a moment to say thank you to our clients for your trust, to our partners for your collaboration, and to our Ultech family for your dedication. Every project completed this year is a reflection of your effort, your care, and your professionalism. In 2026, we'll continue doing what we do best: engineering excellence with integrity and impact. From all of us at Ultech Engineering, Happy New Year, and here's to building a brighter, smarter, and safer future together. Subscribe to our channel for more stories of engineering purpose and progress. And from all of us at Ultech Engineering, thank you for being part of our journey this year. Here's to a brighter, smarter, and stronger 2026 ahead. From our team to yours, Happy New Year 2026.